Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Monday.com API for integrations. Monday.com is a work operating system that allows teams to manage projects and workflows in a customizable and visual way. The Monday.com API allows developers to access and manipulate data within the platform, enabling seamless integrations with other tools and services. To get started, you need to create an account on Monday.com and obtain an API key. This key is used to authenticate your API requests and ensure that only authorized applications can access your data. You can find the API key in the integrations section of your Monday.com account. Once you have your API key, you can start making API requests to Monday.com. The API uses a RESTful architecture, which means that you can use standard HTTP methods such as GET, POST, and PUT to interact with the platform. For example, you can use the GET method to retrieve a list of all boards in your account, or the POST method to create a new item on a board. One of the most common use cases for the Monday.com API is integrating it with other tools and services. For example, you can use the API to connect Monday.com with Slack, allowing you to receive notifications in Slack when a new item is created on a board. You can also use the API to integrate Monday.com with Google Drive, enabling you to attach files from Google Drive to items on a board. When using the Monday.com API, it is essential to follow best practices to ensure that your integrations are secure and reliable. This includes handling errors and exceptions, implementing authentication and authorization, and optimizing API requests for performance. In terms of practical examples, you can use the Monday.com API to build custom applications, such as a dashboard that displays key metrics and KPIs from your boards. You can also use the API to automate workflows, such as creating new items on a board when a certain condition is met. To summarize, using the Monday.com API for integrations requires obtaining an API key, making API requests using standard HTTP methods, and following best practices for security and performance. By using the Monday.com API, you can unlock the full potential of the platform and create custom integrations that meet the unique needs of your team or organization. With its flexible and customizable architecture, the Monday.com API is an essential tool for any developer or team looking to get the most out of the platform.